In today's video I will teach you how to use regulators. I have purchased two regulators. First, what is regulator and how you can use the regulator in your home. Regulator means this is the voltage regulator, step down converter. So it is not step up, which means you know to charge little bit voltage you need. You can put high voltage to this pin. You need output with this pin, and this pin is ground. Let me check. You can see there. I cannot to see camera, but very blur number LM7805. 12 volt to 5 volt converter. It is not matter. You can use 8 volt, minimum 8 volt to maximum 18 volt input, output 12 volt constant. Same as this. This 10 input. The input voltage are same, output voltage are different. Let me wait out of camera. It is yes. LM78112, which means it can input 24 volt, output is 12 volt IC, which means it can you can use this IC for any input voltage above output voltage. So you know output need your 12 volt, for example, you need input 2 voltage higher than output voltage. So which means you need input minimum 14 volt to maximum 24 or 36 volt according to data sheet, component data sheet. So this is same. This is a 6 volt regulator, which means you can input 8 volt minimum to maximum 24 volt or 18 volt. This is a ground pin. This is the input. Pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 ground, pin number 3 is output. Same as these 4 regulator on my table, like this. And this is the 8 volt regulator or 18 number or very. Yes, it is 8 volt, and this is 8 volt, or this is 9 volt. This is a 9 volt and this is a 8 volt. So it can take and 11 volt minimum to this pin, and maximum is 18 or 36 volt. It is a constant. Same, this middle pin is down. Same as this one. Let me. Number are too blurred. It is not read without microscope. Yes. This yes. So these are 3 pins. Ground, volt in, volt out. So this IC data sheet says it can handle up to 1.5 amperes. But I am trying without. I don't have IC right now, so I plug into my power supply and input the more voltage, and output need a 5 volt load. To check this temperature, it can create a more heat with IMD only 35 milliamps load. So which means it is highly required to connect each sink compound or thermal paste for lawn using. Now this video I am showing you how to make a voltage regulator. I mean phone charger system, because I am seeing lots of videos I am seeing people made in this phone charger with 9 volt battery to charge your smartphone. Might be it is a true, because this is a 500 milliamp battery, or it is not chargeable at all. So you can charge your 3000 smartphone is approximately 3000 milliamp hour, which means 3 ampere, which means you need a 6 batteries to charge your phone single time smartphone. So it might be your own company to create a batteries, or your own shop which you can use free batteries to your charge phone. It is not possible at all, my opinion. But I have never know people made lots of videos. I see this thing is possible. Now I'm video made. It is possible or not? No cheating, no everything. You can see no pause. I am take a new battery. This full battery drain in camera. I can battery at my phone to drain battery full, so you can see no battery changing issues. And although this battery is 9 volt, when I plug battery directly to my phone, it might be pop phone, because this 9 volt or phone is 5 volt. So I am use this IC to 9 volt to 5 volt converting. So set up. So I am use this old battery, these two terminals, so you can see this is the front one, and this one is back one. So I took out these batteries, these 2 clips. So which I need it right now. So there's a main regulator. Let me. So regulator number are lots of bulb. Yes, this one. So you may know any transistor on any regulator IC. This package 220 IC pin, this each pin as well as this middle pin is both is joined together, which means this is a ground and this chassis is also ground. So when connect this battery, when this plug, so battery positive connected to this clip negative, this clip positive to battery negative, so it clip all connect a reverse. So which means this pin is positive, which means this point is positive and this point is negative, which means this point is negative. I touch this wheel and this wheel also came with this connector, so I touch this pin ribbon and just bend to this IC top volt, like something like that. Now remove. This is a negative terminal, which I bend it. Or this chassis is also negative. When I do this, I just push it quite a bit to more stronger. Now I need this wire. Although I am following my scissor is, so I need to cut or strip, but I am maybe pause for which time I need pause. Now I am at this wire. I mismatch in scissor in my table, so it is on my table. I don't see it is behind my power supply. So I drop this wire and connect this. Although if I have a solder, I am not connecting each in, or if I know I have a soldering iron, so I am use this directly to bonding. So you have soldering iron, it is a great thing you can solder, because it is otherwise it is train around back and forth, may problems for charge discharge, charge discharge, and make your device damaged. So just right there. Now I wind this wire through this terminal light, something like this, wire to the regulator input, and now it's mount something like that. And now I'm taking this jack, so you can use a female or USB jack, so you can connect any types of your phone, but I am plugging only one type of phone. So just connecting like there, positive wire. All you know, priorities. I made this processing table. See how to make a regulate this device. So you know this is the 7805 regulator. This pin number 2 is negative, and negative pin is also this tab. Each pin is also negative. So this I am already telling you this is a negative point, because when I plug in like this way, so you can see this is a negative terminal according to battery. So now I insert this regulator, and this time I am not use each pin, because this low current charging, but it is not create up to it. Now I use this back cover, as well as first I use this wire to connect the input terminal. Now you can see, just I wind this wire into pin number 1. It is the input voltage, which I feel 9 volt positive, and I should place this way. And now use this cell phone table. So this table is positive, so it is not standard table. So I am checking in internet, in my electrodiode software. This says this black wire is positive and that means negative. So just connect that right there. So that is negative, you can connect that wire or here on air on down to this pin, or directly to battery terminals, because negative, output negative and input negative are both are common together. Now comes the touchy part, because I don't have soldering iron right now, so it is tough, little bit tough to work like this time. Now need a tape, bang tape right there. Let me just come out a little bit, so just I put tape. I'll do give a tape. First put tape right this way to battery terminals. Give a battery terminal like that, and now just pull this unit into this slot, this regulator, main regulator slot in there, and now all tape now place like that, and make sure this positive terminal won't short to chassis terminal, because negative terminal, because this I already told you there are this each sink transistor tap terminal is negative, so this battery positive terminal is close to the LEDs, not short together. So you may know it is not short, otherwise it is not what at all. Now place back tower. Now take this way. It is little bit tricky right there with the slip ends, just like that, and once 2 more times, something like that. And there is little bit wobbly, but it is still work. So just I accidentally folded my scissor on my table, so that's why I'm used to cut tape with these. Now you can see there is the terminals, battery terminals. Now install this battery first. Make sure anything is fine. This is a battery new. I open right now. So I just grab this battery tower away. This point I think so I need the scissor, but it is come out easily, very easily. So this is a new battery. Just plug in battery. So make sure now to our accessory. So just pull this lead. So this is now the phone. So this time not use smartphone right now, but this is a normal phone. So it might be charged. The turn on phone. You can use female jack table charging tables to plug your any type C, USB, type B, type A, any kind of wire you can use to charge your phone. I am use demo for single one wire. There's the main problem. So there is not wire wobbly because this lead is not perfect to fit in this cell phone. Although I am using keypad cell phone for demonstrate. So main problem is there. Now it is our battery placed to add like the extension. So now you can see, although my battery is 60% charge, only 40% left, but see how much it is possible to charge only this 9-volt battery, which means battery is, so it is this time is game is very slow, but because this cell phone is already charged 60%. All we need to this battery, maybe check it is possible or not, and wait it until see what happening. It is charged or not. Only 30% charge. need more for this 9 volt battery. New battery can do only quite small job or not. It's charged. Right there, symbol C. The symbol is seen right there, but although it is not a perfectly see, it is do back lot and lot. Let's take some time with this battery so you can see it is charging. This point I am make the video is length is smaller, so video take lots of times to complete, so I am record for all times, and after video is combined in fast motion, because there are no anything I say about, only we can see it's charged or not. Not possible because there are this is wobbly, so such is not very well work, but this is fit. Although maybe it man you can use a 12 volt battery. Same. This is one version 2. Maybe I made in night. So with driving this thing is motorbike battery. So always its system is same, but it is extend to long wire and remove 9 volt clip to extend the up will use as alligator clip instead of 9 volt clip battery clip. Because motorbike battery take the other types of clips like plastic. The same thing. That's why I put this battery as same, because you can see it is only plugged in this battery, not any wires though for this right here. Now you can see no any more wire, only charge for this battery. This lead is this cell phone lead is wobbly, so that's why the main issue is there. Otherwise I put sit on bench, leave for hour or and chat after result, because it is wobbly, so it takes my hand continuously. After you make after I also show how much battery can loss by 9 volt battery, how much voltage drops to charge the cell phone, because cell phone need only 30% charging, only need two more charging, 30% need to charge full cell phone. Battery are 100% fully charged. Let me check how much this 9 volt battery loss, much power loss this 9 volt battery to charge a 30% this 30% power to the phone. So this is still wobbly, so I'm thinking to need this way, because there are too wobbly. Otherwise it is like a smartphone or Windows Android, something like that. It might be this time it might be Android is damage out, because this is so wobbly, charge discharge. So this is multimeter right here for my battery extension. Just little bit there, and light this handle to see both things. Multimeter help to extension this spoon, because it does not falling out. So at this time my best thing is it is too tricky at all. Although it is though lot mode, I'm not sure why it is though lot mode at all because it cannot run for continuous time. It is though lot and lot. Yes. Now I'm thinking to see a little bit zoom to see you the battery. Oops. So you can see them are charging. Now zoom back to the original side, original right here. Leave for a while. This point it is little bit trickier. So that's why it is really wobbly. So it is older phones because keypad phones are very older. So it is I have only laying around one, so it is not used anymore. So that's why I am use this or other or this. Why I am not use smartphone because it is using more power. It is not enough. This is a smartphone to try the experiment. Just make sure anything is fine. Why it is wobbly? It is wobbly a lot. So you can see they are wobbly right now. Phone are doing standby mode. Wait. I am seeing a setting. Left. It is not this thing. I just put this thing into my phone, this phone backwards and secure with tape. This is the only right option because it is wobbly because it is doing charge, discharge, charge, discharge. So I am only one option to stick back to the cell phone. So there is no any more wobbly. To do without using tape. I hold this unit in my hand like this, so you know it is. And now just push this like this, hold this way, and little bit push this lead. So it is charged. So now I'm push. Now push this lead like something like that. Now get this way, and this is and because it is to standby mode, so you know there are battery on my end. So you know there are battery on my end. Very nervous project. Project a little bit nervous because they are pin or wobbly. It is not blood at all. So just wait. So you can see all the battery is connected. So this is a battery place for that. So just seeing here it is a real battery which is I connected right now. But a very stupid cell phone in my life. It is not plugging quite up well. Okay. Now leave for this. Let me wait. Okay. Not to charge, full charge. I'm sorry. Not charge. First click unlock. Check that. Why? First it those are settings because my display is turned off quite well. Backlight. Backlight. I think this is a maximum time is 10 seconds. So I will hold this unit again. It about hold for some time. After this video can go up at 29 minutes, but wait for more than 20 minutes continuously. Previously, my tape is not mismatched and find my tape, so that's why this nothing my phone. This phone to the power line. So I am re-show you there are with 9 volt battery to supply this phone power on full or charging. There's no any more thing, just charge 9 volt battery only. Just leave for while. Although this is a slow charger, but all this 9 volt battery is less milliamp. Although I'm at a 4 or 5, 2 or 4 amps in my lab bench power supply, it may be full charge, but question is it is possible to charge your phone with only 9 volt battery. So there are 9 volts. I'm really show you. This is a 9 volt battery, and this is phone. Already we can see in phone top right, it is my hand because I put the phone top wall to see the phone in one position. Hold it because it is pin is not a charging pin is not adjust to this phone because when I hold it, it is charging. When I lose them, it is discharged. So never charge anymore. So I need to hold for couple of times continuously. So I think my arms more, which is now I'm still the tape because it is so massive because when I move my hand back and forth, which is tingling now, maybe wobbling now, this lid is loose, so I'm still fully taped. There is no more wobbly left. Now I put this cell phone in this jar for you to know. I am put this jar it's right now and close jar and little bit attach tape. After I am pause because I am following now this time because it takes more lots of time. I'm not sure it takes 2 days, 4 days. it is not, I have no more space on my phone to charge. Today it is not possible. I am one place made a video for 2 days or 1 day, maybe 5 or 4 or continuously. So that's why now though R is fast, it is takes for more time for R. So that's why I'm putting for this jar, and now I'm secured with tape. Now we can see this tape are in same place. So when I put for there, so you may I'm after I'm now in pass without, you can see it is placed. Now you can see it is behind on table. I mean not anything cheating. So you I see sealed lid for in camera. We can see it is lid closed. I put cell phone in to this box. Now after few 3 or 5 hours I am open box for in camera. Otherwise it is rain around right there. I am though to bring some water and do some other works for my other projects. This can take time, so I am not changing anything. Just you can see it is same. I put this box, no anymore touching, so there's anything is here. Now I'm saying in after 3 hours, just pass for 3 hours because there I am passed for 3 hours. So now it's passed. Now you can see after a right time 3 hours, approximately 3.5 hours. Now I'm opening in phone right there. So you see there's a tape, although this bonding tape. Now remove this tape first. So you know I am previously attached tape, so no anymore. Opening now, check it is charged or not. It is not charged. Now it takes the 3 hours until I think 6 a.m. I mean 6 p.m. Now this cell phone time is in flat. So recently I am trying in this experiment in 12 p.m. So went down 12 to 3, which means now it's 3:45, which means it's 3 hours, 3.5 hours is done. Now it's take at 6 p.m. after see what results, it's charged or not. Now I put this back, this plastic, no any more change, attach back lid and take tape, just place tape on this side so you know this is the open side, and place back and wait for other 3 hours. Pause. Now you can see after a few times I am expected. So I am expected there's too much time. I am not thinking to give more time. So now it's 6 hours complete. Now remove lid and check what the result is. This is the last knot. I made too much more because this is 6 hours though I put this experiment and see what happening is. I open box for under camera, so it is put this box, remove out. Now see this time line left, switch look full charge, but it is not full charge. So let's see little bit right. So it is looking full, not. So when I remove this, now I see this is the cell phone, which is I am watching now. So you can see it is not trying to charge. Little bit high. Check. Let me just do a lot again. So when you can see there is, which means how much power I am leave to this unit. This unit the same amount of power is charged. Previously it is charged 90%, now it is still charged 90%. It is 6 hours. Because if you travel, for example, one city to other city, you need a cell phone charging for power bank. You can charge this power bank. You can travel up to 4 times the city. This phone cannot charge only 10%. So it is a fate power bank in D. This is a fate power bank. This is no power bank. Now try this thing with middle level. Middle level like here. Now I remove the battery to this unit, check how much power we got for this battery.